People, the pot has landed. The pot land. And see my plate? And you can see everybody right there. So everybody I eat. They're supposed to do so the food good. We just need more mouth. Yeah, people, we are back at it again. We are cooking at the river. I am going to show you how to make callaloo and ackee with kidney beans. Red, green and gold. And this is a new recipe. And the ingredients is red kidney bean, callaloo and ackee. And I already cooked my peas. So let's head down to the river. Yeah, man. And people, we actually gonna show you the cave again. And my auntie is leading the way. And the whole team are here. So please subscribe. This is my auntie Juliet.
And I'm from the Blue Mountain Adventure Tour. And I am the tour guide for today. And this is the cave over there. It's from Runaway Bay to Dick's Pond, where the slave them escape. Them come through Shantami. That's how Shantami get the name. And when they carry the piece of iron, them say Shanto me no more. If you go through this cave, you can see some ladies carving out of the stone with some basket on them head and all kind of something.
That is the history on the cave. And you hear it from Chef Henry kitchen. Time to start the fire.
Lord is my shepherd, I see what I want.
I am going to extend the size of the fire so that the pot can sit on the fire. So I'm going to enforce it with some bigger log. Thanks to Flash. Time to boil the ackee. I add the ackee into the pot and I added salt. Tip of the day. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not and let Chef Henry bring flavor to your recipe. I am cooking with family and this is Chef Henry kitchen at its best. Now the ackee is finished boiling, it's time to drain the water from the ackee. It's red, green and gold. The callaloo is on, so I'm just getting the onion. This is essential when you're cooking. The season and the spices is essential. So I'm gonna cut the onion in the pot. Cooking at the river, you have to watch your eyes from the smoke. You don't want any tears to fall in the pot because anybody eat this food will start to cry too. And you don't want that. Now I'm gonna add seasoning. I should use some natural herbs, but I add pimento already in the pot and that's natural. So I'm using some powder seasoning, some Maggi seasoning. I'm using fish seasoning, seasoned salt, and all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm adding some fish seasoning. Now I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning, some Maggi jerk seasoning, and some regular jerk seasoning. Now I'm gonna add the peas. I cook the peas down with regular coconut milk, and I season the pot with thyme and scallion, and I also added pimento. Now I'm gonna add it into the pot with the callaloo. Everything is looking good. I'm gonna add the ackee as soon as I get it boiled down. I place the cover on and I'm gonna give it around 20 minutes before I added the ackee. And the river is right there, and that is a simple down rock. And that's a rock we enjoy as a kid.
This is cooking at its best in Portland.
This is the simple down rock. You climb up and you slide down. Time to complete the red, green and gold. I'm gonna add the ackee into the pot and I'm gonna mix it around. And I cooked the ackee already, so I just need to let it simmer down for another 2 minutes.
I'm not crying. I just take out dip in the water. It's nice and beautiful. So this is what's going on now. We are roasting plantain because everything that we have here, we're gonna enjoy some roast food, and also we have banana and potato boiling down into this pot, and it's boiling down in coconut milk. So now we just the plantain roasting, and then we're just gonna enjoy. And then we have a couple other guys with us, so we have a whole team. But we send some to the shop because they need rum. The pot has landed.
Banana and potato is finished cooking, and the pot water is called Stay With Your Lady. We were drinking it and we enjoy it. Now I'm gonna make a plate. Now I'm gonna add the ackee and the callaloo with the kidney beans. This is the red, green and gold.
Yeah, people, they're going to tell you all about it, the pot land. And see my plate? And you can see everybody right there, so. Everybody I eat. They're supposed to know that this food good, we just need more mouth. Yeah, people, we enjoy our food.
The food is finished and everybody gone. And just me and my camera personnel, and it's time to leave the river. We're gonna hike back and I will show you a lot of stuff on the way. This is wild ginger, and there's a lot in Jamaica. And this is cocoa plant, and lots of cocoa on the tree. This is chocolate, and this is from the cocoa plant, and there's lots in Jamaica.
I never mentioned the nice banana plant. And there's young one. So this is a nice little place right here, because as we mentioned earlier in the video, the cave is right over there. And look, people, there is a snail shell right here. And I know that plenty more is in the bush. We enjoy ourselves. Camera personally, food is good?
Yes, man, it was delicious.
Yeah, man, right there, so. Look, people, there is even a banana right here. Even though it may look wild, somebody have taken care of this place, so they cut the banana. We're not taking that. I will just take the chocolate. This right here, this is called a calabash tree. That's if you Rasta people, you'll see them eating out of those dish. It's come from this tree. There is none on here, so I could show you guys an example, but I know the plants. So pretty much we're almost back to the starting point. I'm trying to see if we could catch the ringtail pigeon, but he's over there in that tree over there. They love that tree. That is called a trumpet tree. This right here is known as a lemon tree. There's no lemon on here. There's none. Maybe somebody reap already. This tree right here is known as a fig tree. There maybe be a mango tree was right here. This tree doesn't grow off its own. It have to grow off another tree source. Then it take over that tree and then grow its own roots. Right here, this is an avocado tree. In Jamaica, the difference, we call it pear in Jamaica, but this is actually an avocado tree. And there's avocado up on there. Lucky enough, there's one that fell on the ground. And this is full, so we're gonna enjoy this. And this is coffee. This is the main attraction in the Blue Mountain. This is a ripe one, and that's the bean. So when it's harvested, they would harvest just the ripe ones, and then you get the beans.